Hello dear students, good evening everyone. This is the second lecture and this lecture consisting of total 7 parts, and in this lecture we will discuss about the definition of fundamental units step by step. So first part of second lecture, that is concept of meter, and how to learn in easy way the definition of meter in two different way, in the terms of wavelength and the terms of speed of light. We can write down in any way, and when you just write down in any way, then your definition will be correct if the number concept is clear. And to learn out the number concept, you have to learn out some rhyming words. Just see what is the concept. Definition of fundamental units. Number one, the meter. In the definition of meter, there is a conceptual term, that is a fixed number. When you just write down the number, then your concept is clear, your definition is correct. Just listen, what is the number? How to learn? Starting for number, that is the concept of historical events in 1650 or 1945 or any other way we can learn out 1650, and this one remaining 76 373, 76 and 73 rhyming words, so very easy to learn 76 373, and you have to put down what, a point from right side after 2 digit. So just see the definition concept. The standard meter, the standard meter is exactly equal to this numerical value. You have to write down anyhow. Wavelengths, in vacuum. The standard meter is exactly equal to this number, and wavelengths in vacuum, wavelengths in vacuum of the radiation from krypton isotopes of mass 86. Krypton, that is a name of element and having symbol Kr and atomic number 36, whose mass here 86, and the 86 here the isotope concept. And atomic number is same but mass number different, somewhat amount of mass having other term, that may be either 82 or 84, no matter, but whenever the mass is 86, that mass concept of krypton whenever taken in the definition of meter, then there is a concept of radiation, and how much radiation, how many radiations. Here the radiation concept in the terms of wavelength numbers. 1650 763.73, that is 16,50,763.73 wavelengths in vacuum of the radiation from krypton isotopes of mass 86. This is the mass number. Another way we can also define the definition of meter. The C is also defined as the distance traveled by light. It is also defined as the distance traveled by light, defined as the path traveled by light listen again. It is also defined as the distance traveled by light in vacuum in 1/29792,458. This is the concept of speed of light in vacuum. That's why you are taken in vacuum in 1/297,792,458 half a second. Will just write down this number, then your definition is correct. Otherwise will be wrong, because the speed of light in vacuum exactly the speed of light is equal to 2.97792,458 into 10 power 8 meter per second. Here then 10 power 8 multiplied, then 3, 3, 6 to 8, this one becomes what? Complete number. And when this complete number transferred towards left, then 1 upon and second here multiplied in this, then this is the concept of 1 upon this half a second, and in numerator will be what? Meter, that is 1. So in this way we can also learn out the definition of meter, because this is the important concept about the meter. And in many books the writing concept in different way, but the numerical value never changes. This one numerical value fixed and this one numerical value fixed. This is the standard speed of light value, that is in some books that is 3 lakh kilometer per second, and whenever you just change 3 lakh kilometer per second, then 3.0 into 10 power 8 meter per second. But here the concept exact speed of light 2.97792,458 are 297,792,458 meter per second. This is the speed of light, exact speed in vacuum. So in this way we can learn out the definition of meter, very simple concept. This is the first part of second lecture, and again we will discuss about the second part of second lecture. So total 7th part for 7 fundamental units. So you will learn according to step by step, and if any confusion further, then you can ask. So you have to learn out this one number and this one number anyhow for writing the exact definition of meter. Thank you very much.